On the previous video, you saw how we created an ellipse using first two options, center and axis end. In the third option is the ellipse or elliptical arc. As you know, the arc in ellipse is different than arc in circle. So the arc command gives you the portion of a circle, but elliptical arc creates an arc which does not have the same property as the arc command does. So if we want to keep the portion of the ellipse, in this case this section, if we want to keep these and eliminate the remaining, so we have created an arc which is only 1/4 of this ellipse. To do that, we select this third option, which is elliptical arc, and same way we define the axis endpoint. In this case, we'll select the point, and the second point I'm going to use the same number we used before, which is, in this case, I will type 6 and press enter, and the upper directions would be 1.5, very similar to the first option of the ellipse. Now, at this point, it doesn't finish the process. We expected to complete the ellipse at this time, but since we have selected that third option, the arc option, and now is waiting for me to define more points, which is asking for start angle. For this one, if we want to keep this portion, we will select the angle 180 degrees. This one goes in this 180 degrees for the first point. And the second point, it's going to ask you for specify end of the angle, and I will type 270 if I want to go to that direction. So press enter. As you notice, the only portion left in the arc is that. When I select that, notice the gray area, which shows the complete ellipse. The only part that we kept was that 1/4. So that's how we create an elliptical arc.